Hi children, we are gonna learn about farm animals today. Which animal is this? This is a cow. They only eat grass and leaves. Cow gives us milk. Cow lives in the barn. A baby cow is called a calf. Let's see what we have over here. Sheep. Here is a sheep. They are usually white, but there are black sheep too. Sheep gives us wool. Sheep lives in a sheep pen. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Which animal is this? Horse. This is horse. They love to eat grass and grains. Horse helps the farmer with many heavy jobs. Horses live in stables. A baby horse is called foal. Let's see another animal. Who are they? Chickens. They are chickens. Male chicken is called rooster. And roosters say cock-a-doodle-doo every mornings to wake up the farmers and other animals in the farm. The female chicken is called hen. Hen lays eggs which people eat. Chickens are kept in the coop and they walk around the farms. Baby chicken is called a chick. Which animal is this? Donkey. It's a donkey. Donkey looks like a horse, but little bit smaller. Donkey lives in stables. Baby donkey is called foal. Who is going to be the next animal we are going to see? Goat. It's a goat. Goat gives us milk and meat. Goat loves to eat grass and leaves. Goats are kept in a pen. A baby goat is called a kid. Let's see another animal. Duck. Here is a duck. Ducks live in ponds and water. The baby duck is called duckling. Who is the next farm animal? Goose. This is a goose. Goose lives in ponds and lakes. A baby goose is called a gosling. I can see another shadow. Who can that be? Pig. This is a pig. Pig gives us meat. Pigs live in a pigsty. A baby pig is called piglet. Let's see what we have over here. Turkey. It is a turkey. Turkeys are raised on farms. They stay in the turkey pen. Baby turkeys are called poults. Now shall we recap the farm animals we learned today so we won't forget them? Cow. Sheep. Horse. Rooster. Hen. Donkey. Goat. Duck. Goose. Pig. Turkey. Hope you enjoyed watching our video and learning about farm animals. Let's meet again in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.